We were quarantined for 3 months. The economy slowed down. There was so much uncertainty. But what is happening in the real estate market? In this video today, we're going to cover the areas in Baton Rouge for Sherwood and Broadmoor. Let's take a look. First thing I'm going to show you in the area of pink is what we're going to be talking about in the statistics today. We're going to be looking at 3 years on average. Now, real estate always has been, always will be a long-term investment. So we don't want to make big decisions based off of a short range of data. This is intended to give you a good snapshot to show you the healthiness of the real estate market in this particular area. First thing we're going to look at is the average sales price. And as you can see over the last 3 years, we have seen a steady increase in the average sales price for this particular area at $179,000. This next chart that we're looking at are new listings. This is new homes coming on the market. This is the only area that we've researched so far that have seen a completely steady decrease over a 3-year period of available homes on the market. The next chart is about days on the market. Now, why is this important? Why would you need to know this? Well, if you're thinking about selling your home, these are the days that you need to build in to hit your target date. In this particular area, the average days is 64 days on the market. This does not count the amount of days it takes to get your house ready to sell, and this does not count what we call in the industry a pending to close. So once you get that accepted offer to when you actually close on your home and sell it. The next chart is month supply. Now, what is this and why does it matter? Month supply basically tells us if it's a seller's market or a buyer's market. Anything above a 6 is considered a buyer's market. Anything below a 6 is considered a seller's market. If you look over here on the side here, you see 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5. We saw a decrease around 2017 and then a steady increase of month supply of new homes available. And then we've started to see somewhat of a decrease to 3.6. Now, this would make sense as we look at the average sales price to continue to increase. It's very basic supply and demand. So 3.6 months worth of supply would statistically tell us it is a seller's market. Now, house has to be priced right, has to be in good condition, but what this tells us is there are absolutely buyers out there who are ready, willing, and able to write an offer. This last chart is the percent of the list price compared to the sales price. Now stay with me. If your home was listed for $180,000 in this particular area, the percent to list price is 97.6%. So at $180,000, you would be accepting an offer around $175,680. We need to build that into the list price. We can't go way too high, but this gives us a good inclination because if the value of the home is at $175,000, we don't want to list it at that because even in this market, buyers are not making full price offers. So we need a little bit of cushion, and this percentage tells us how much cushion to expect. And that's what's happening in the real estate market in the particular area of Sherwood and Broadmoor. We've seen a steady increase in the average sales price over the last 3 years. Days on market has ticked up to that 64, so plan accordingly. This is the biggest spread of the 7 areas that we've studied that is still a seller's market. So you can feel confident that your market value is increasing and that is a steady, stable market in the Sherwood and Broadmoor area. If you're considering selling your home, reach out to us and schedule a time so that we can help you get the most money the market will pay in the quickest amount of time.